Check out this beautiful Ford Super Duty King Ranch dually 8-foot bed. We installed the Retrax Pro MX with the bed rug liner. You can truly admire how nice this truck is with that heavy duty aluminum retractable cover. You just push it right back into that canister. Very easy operation. The bed rug liner is custom fit to work with that fifth wheel hitch. This truck is the big 8-foot bed. These are clamped onto the side of the bed here. No drilling is required. Drain tube in the back of the bed there. Compact canister. Easy operation. You go out to your truck, you push the handle, you slide it. You can stop it at any point you want, so it's very versatile. This one supports 500 pounds of weight on top. It's top of the line. It's the best cover for your Ford Super Duty dual